EDaily Conversation.
Welcome to our restaurant, sir.
Hello, a table for one, please.
Follow me right this way.
This table near a window is nice.
Here is the food menu, sir.
Thank you very much, miss.
Can I get you some water?
Yes, cold water with lemon, please.
I will bring that right away.
Let me look at menu now. There are many choices here. I am very hungry tonight. I want something warm and nice. This chicken noodle soup looks perfect. The picture looks very delicious. I hope it is not spicy. I cannot eat spicy food at all.
Here is your cold lemon water.
Thank you. I am ready now.
Great. What would you like? What can I get for you?
I want the chicken noodle soup.
Excellent choice. That is very popular.
Is that soup spicy at all?
No, it is not spicy, sir.
Good. Please make it mild.
Do you want any side dish?
No side dish for me, thanks.
Would you like any other drink?
Just this water is fine, thank you.
Let me repeat your order now.
Okay, please check it carefully.
1 chicken noodle soup, not spicy.
Yes, that is exactly right.
It will take about 15 minutes.
That is completely fine with me.
Thank you for your order, sir.
Thank you. I will wait here. Let me check my smartphone now. The restaurant smells very good.
It has been 10 minutes now. The restaurant is getting very busy. Many people are coming inside. I see the chef cooking there. He is working very fast today. I can hear the kitchen sounds. My stomach is making loud noises. I am getting more hungry now. Ah, the waitress is coming back. She is holding a big tray. I think that is my food.
Here is your hot soup, sir.
Wow, that was very fast.
Please enjoy your dinner tonight.
Thank you. It looks very hot.
Call me if you need anything.
Okay, I will do that. Let me take my spoon now. Wait a minute. Look closely. This does not look like chicken.
Excuse me, miss? Please come back.
Yes, sir. Is everything okay here?
This is not what I ordered.
Oh, let me see the dish.
This is beef, not chicken soup.
Let me check my paper.
And there are many red chilies.
Oh, no, you are right, sir.
I asked for no spicy food.
This is the spicy beef noodle.
I cannot eat this hot soup.
I am so terribly sorry, sir.
The kitchen made a big mistake.
Yes, the chef mixed the tickets.
Can I change this for chicken?
Let me check with kitchen first.
I hope it does not take long.
The kitchen is closing right now.
Oh no, so I cannot eat?
To make it up to you?
Yes. What can the restaurant do?
The manager said your meal is free.
Wow, that is very nice, but
But you are still hungry, right?
yes, I really need to eat.
The chef can make a quick salad.
Is the chicken salad available now?
Yes, it takes only 2 minutes.
Okay, that is a good solution.
We will also give free dessert.
What kind of dessert is it?
It is a sweet chocolate cake.
I love chocolate cake very much.
I will bring the salad immediately.
Thank you for your fast help.
Thank you for your kind patience.
Mistakes happen. It is okay.
You are a very understanding guest.
I just want some safe food.
Coming right back with your salad.
Okay, I will wait again.
Here comes the waitress again.
Here is your fresh chicken salad.
This looks very fresh and green.
And here is your chocolate cake.
Thank you. This looks amazing today.
Please enjoy this free meal, sir.
Let me try the chicken first. This tastes absolutely delicious. The chicken is cooked very well. There is no spicy chili here. I am very happy with this. Let me eat the fresh lettuce. This is a very healthy dinner. Now, let me try the cake. Wow, this cake is so sweet. It melts inside my mouth completely. I am getting very full now. This dinner turned out great. Let me wipe my mouth clean. I am finished with everything here. Let me put down my napkin. I should call the waitress over. Excuse me, can I get the check?
Remember, your meal is free today.
Yes, but I want a tip.
You don't have to, sir.
You gave me excellent service tonight.
Thank you. That is very kind.
Here is $5 for you.
Wow. Thank you for the tip.
You are very welcome, Miss Lisa.
Have a wonderful night, Mr. Ken.
Thank you. Have a good night. Let me take my jacket now. I am walking out the door. The weather outside is quite cool. I am not hungry anymore now. I will come back here again. They take care of customers well. Time to go back home now.